Dogecoin started as a joke, and as cryptocurrencies became popular, Dogecoin became the people's crypto. But how did this coin, which has no specific function whatsoever, become so popular? What are the forces behind Dogecoin that keeps driving it to success? Let's get down to the facts and everything you need to know about Dogecoin. The first and most important fact of Dogecoin is that it's supported by the richest man in the world, Elon Musk. He has been tweeting about Dogecoin as far back as 2019 and rising its price on every single occasion. Musk first came into contact with Dogecoin back in September 2018 when he publicly enlisted the help of former Dogecoin creator Jackson Palmer to combat Twitter's scam bots that were impersonating Musk to steal people's crypto. 7 months later, Musk tweeted, "Dogecoin might be my favorite cryptocurrency. It's pretty cool." Musk has labeled Dogecoin as the people's crypto, and he enthusiastically continues to support the currency. Recently on April 1st, he joked about putting a literal Dogecoin on the literal moon in his tweet. He even jokingly commented that Dogecoin could one day become the official currency of Mars. We know that recently Snoop Dogg also started investing in cryptocurrencies and has taken a big interest in Dogecoin. Along with billionaire Elon Musk, Snoop Dogg has been one of the figures promoting Dogecoin through memes and pro-crypto statements on social media. The mentions may have contributed to the price of the token reaching an all-time high. Snoop jokingly tweeted that he and Elon are going to smoke one on the moon.
I'm Jackson Palmer, creator, co-founder of Dogecoin, which is an internet cryptocurrency. So for those who aren't aware, it's a digital currency that people can exchange online, very similar to Bitcoin or Litecoin.
It's worth mentioning about the Dogecoin hodlers. Hodlers are crypto investors who buy and hold their positions regardless of price. The term was created in 2013 in a Bitcoin chat forum by an investor who was watching Bitcoin's price fall sharply, but decided not to sell. He wrote a post titled, "I am hodling," meaning to write holding. On February 15th, Tesla's founder openly criticized whales, meaning the large token holders, for hoarding large amounts of Dogecoin. According to Musk, this hoarding prevents Dogecoin from becoming the currency of the internet. Musk believes that Dogecoin's large community has the most potential to become an actual currency because of the wide variety of people holding Dogecoins. Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency based on Litecoin. Dogecoin was designed to be a friendly, more approachable form of cryptocurrency that could reach users put off by the cold complexity of Bitcoin. Even its name is taken from a popular internet meme. The Dogecoin community and foundation have encouraged fundraising for charities and other notable causes. On January 19, 2014, a fundraiser was established by the Dogecoin community to raise $50,000 for the Jamaican bobsled team, which had qualified for but could not afford to go to the Sochi Winter Olympics. By the second day, $36,000 worth of Dogecoin was donated, and the Dogecoin to Bitcoin exchange rate rose by 50%. Inspired by the Winter Olympics fundraiser and smaller charity fundraising successes, the Dogecoin Foundation began collecting donations to build a well in the Tana River Basin in Kenya in cooperation with Charity Water. They set out to raise a total of 40 million Dogecoins before World Water Day on March 22nd. The campaign succeeded, collecting donations from more than 4,000 donors, including one anonymous benefactor who donated 14 million Dogecoins, or approximately $11,000. On March 25, 2014, the Dogecoin community successfully raised 67.8 million Dogecoins in an effort to sponsor NASCAR driver Josh Wise. The car was named the Moon Rocket and made its debut on May 4, 2014 at the Spring Series Cup race. Wise and his car were featured for nearly a minute, during which the race commentators discussed Dogecoin and the crowdfunding effort while finishing 20th and narrowly avoiding multiple wrecks.
I was born and raised in Australia, but I'm now based out of San Francisco, where I actually work for Adobe and then do Dogecoin in all my spare time.
Dogecoin is also used for tipping on platforms like Discord and Reddit. Some might even say it's more widely tipped than Bitcoin. Community members are able to tip each other by just typing a command on the chat window, and the cryptocurrency is transferred to your desired wallet. It's even used as a gambling method, where you can bet an amount to play a dice game or a card game. This is mainly done on crypto-based Discord servers or Dogecoin community servers. The grand theft of Dogecoin, which occurred on December 25, 2013, when millions of coins were stolen during a hack on the online cryptocurrency wallet platform, Doge Wallet. The hacker gained access to the platform's file system and modified its send and receive page to send any and all coins to a static address. This hacking incident spiked tweets about Dogecoin, making it the most mentioned altcoin on Twitter at the time, although it was in reference to a negative event. To help those who lost funds on Doge Wallet after its breach, the Dogecoin community started an initiative named Save Doge to help donate coins to those who had them stolen. Approximately 1 month later, enough money was donated to cover all of the coins that were stolen. So, how did Dogecoin become so popular?
I think it's definitely changing the way that people transact online. There's always been kind of a challenge with traditional fiat currency and people getting that online and then paying for things. The big problem there is that for smaller purchases, once the transaction fees come in, if you're doing exchange rates so that you're buying something from another country, it can end up costing you quite a lot if you want to buy something small online. So I think digital currency is really shaking that up because it kind of transcends borders. It's a truly global currency. Bitcoin or Dogecoin has the same value whether you're in any country or part of the world.
Short, it seems the selfless community, the light-hearted origin of the project, and the real-world utility were the biggest contributors to Dogecoin's success in the crypto market. Over the last few years, Dogecoin has really become a kind of cryptocurrency avatar for meme culture, fueled by online communities and support from internet personalities like Elon Musk. As that culture has risen in influence, Dogecoin has risen in value, essentially taking on a life of its own that its creators never intended. If you liked our video, hit that subscribe button and get notified when we post more videos, because 2021 is the year of the cryptocurrencies and you don't want to miss out.
Do you think Dogecoin can really be the next currency for the world?
Well, I mean, there's currently a poll to say, what do you want?
I want it to go. I'm
All right.
in.
So then, I mean, I think it should be the will of the people, you know?
But is there a problem because it's not limited, because it's not like Bitcoin with a limited number of coins and it can just expand infinitely? Do you think that brings away the value from the coin?
Yes, it does. But, and I mean, first of all, I think people should not invest their life savings in cryptocurrency, to be clear. I think that's unwise. But I mean, if you want to sort of, you know, speculate and kind of like, I don't know, maybe have some fun. I mean, it's like there's a good chance that crypto is the future currency of Earth. Right. And then it's like, well, which one is it going to be? You know, and maybe it'll be multiple. But it should be considered speculation at this point. And so, you know, don't go too far in the crypto